We are happy to see him, and we believe it will come to manifestation. It will manifest whether the devil like it or not.
Pastor, it's not time for arise. ADC, ADC, The third one is arise and shine. Yes. Can we try it again? Yes. ADC. Arise. ADC. Arise. ADC. Our father will explain why we are here today. We will still use that location. Make Baba address the people here first.
ADC! I beg, we came here to beg for a vote. We get local government election next Saturday. Please go out and vote for ADC party. The sign is handshake, unity. We want unity in Nigeria. We want a peaceful Nigeria. We want a Nigeria where people will be in school. We want a Nigeria where a child of nobody will be somebody without knowing anybody. We want a Nigeria where people will stop stealing public money. Thank you. Please help us to go out and vote for Dr. Mo next Saturday. Please, that's the foundation we will use to build a new Nigeria that is possible. Thank you and God bless you.
Leaders of tomorrow, no matter the Go back!
You don't live there. Look your back. Look your back now, I'm working with him. Plaza. Mock Plaza.
More Plaza. Thank you for welcoming us. Please, we are begging you. We are beginning a journey of a new Nigeria that is possible. We cannot continue in a Nigeria where people are stealing public money. We cannot continue in a Nigeria where people are stealing public money. We want to end stealing of public money. We want public money to be used for public good. We want the schools for our children. We want the primary health care. So if somebody is sick, he will go to hospital. We want to put people out of poverty. We cannot continue if people are stealing public money. We are going to cancel the election next week. So please go out and vote. We cannot continue the way we are today. There's too much hunger in Nigeria. There's poverty in Nigeria. It's not supposed to be so. It is so because people are stealing our public money. So please, we have a council election next Saturday. Please go out and vote for African Democratic Party, ADC. Go out and vote for us. ADC. ADC. Please go out and vote for us. That's what we want. We want to change Nigeria, please. That's what we want. Yeah, he will count this time. He will count this time. He will count this time.
Hold on. ADC. Before I speak to you, before I talk to AMAC people, I want you to know that now my papa be this, so I don't get another one. My papa be so. Hey, now my papa be this, so I don't get another one. UTC, now my papa you this. Mock Plaza. UTC, now our papa be this, so. ADC. Makuna listen. No be me and you they suffer, they can't walk. No be me and you they drive come out for school. No be me and you they suffer poverty. No be we they drink garri, some people they pop potato on us. How many presidential candidates come here like this? Go see you now. When are they here? AMAC. Listen, you see as we dey here, so now so multiple taxation. You know if you do business for AMAC because multiple taxation everywhere. AMAC is very dirty. Do we want a new AMAC? Are we not tired of all the people that are doing yama for us? Who are we going to vote for next week? Who are we going to vote for next week? What is the name of our party? What is the logo? What is the logo? You know why it is handshake? Makuna listen. He get the can rain. He get the can rain we go. He get the can rain we go fall, eh? If you carry umbrella, bro, you and the umbrella, they don't go throw away you. The can dirty way there for AMAC right now, broom no go fit sweep am. The problem of Nigeria and the problem of AMAC, na lack of respect. We never tire for tribalism. We never tire for people where they use religion. My oga dey always talk say, he get tribe where they buy bread cheaper. He get religion where you get where go make you rent any shop lower. What we need is good schools for our children. What we need is hospitals that will work. What we need is roads that will go into our rural areas. These are all within the constitutionality of the AMAC chairman. And I can tell you, by next Saturday, a new AMAC will arise, where people can have dignity, where teachers can teach and have dignity, where traders can trade and not steal money. Public money will be used for public good. I will return back here and we will sign a social contract on how you can do your business better. That is why we are here. That is why we will vote. That is why we will bring a new society. ADC! Oya coordinator Yan.
ADC! ADC! ADC again! I greet you all, my people. This is our party, ADC. Hello, ADC.
But the AMAC is this man.
Well, because they want change. They want a new Nigeria that is possible. And that's what we are committed to. We want to build a society where public money was used for public good. We want to build a society where public money was used for public good. Where there will be primary health care, where there will be schools for our children, where we put people out of poverty. This energy our people are showing, I want to turn it to productive energy. This energy is for production. And I want to turn it into production. And we're going to do, we want to study with AMAC election, where we have somebody who will ensure that schools will never be closed, where primary care will be worked on, where there will be genuine support of businesses within AMAC and other local governments of Abuja.
Now that this hope is very high, how are we sure that when you get there, what are you going to do at least from your first days in office?
I can assure you that Nigerians will start seeing the difference from day one.
It's about on our first day in office. I will declare emergency in education and in health, because in AMAC, children are sitting on the floor 40 years after I finished primary school here in AMAC. The quality of people have been reduced because the value of education is completely zero. What you see in Anambra today, when Mr. Peter Obi was governor, he raised the value of education from number 27 to number 1 in the country. That value that he contributed into human capital development in education is what I want to replicate in the center of the country. This is one of the things that I can assure you will happen when we get here.
When I open the door, No.